Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. Guys, in this video, we will see why your smartphone battery drains so fast. We will see different causes that may affect your battery drain so fast. And also I provide you some solutions for that. So watch the full video. And if you are still not subscribed my channel, then subscribe now for more related videos. So let's get started. Number 1. Poor network connection. When your phone struggles to connect to a weak Wi-Fi, cellular, or Bluetooth signal, it consumes more power due to the different reasons such as constant signal searching, increased data transmission effort, Wi-Fi or cellular network scanning, Bluetooth signal issues, and so on. So for that I have 3 solutions that may reduce this problem. First solution is switch your phone in airplane mode when you suffers lower signal of mobile. Then second solution is use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And third solution is turn off Bluetooth when you are not using it. Number 2. Push notifications from multiple apps. Push notifications are messages sent by apps to your device, often in real time, to alert you about updates, messages, or reminders. While they are convenient, too many notifications from multiple apps can significantly drain your smartphone's battery. So guys, for that I have 2 solutions. One is disable unnecessary notifications through setting to notifications option that is available in your phone. And second solution is whenever you are in working hours apply do not disturb option that is also available in your phone. Number 3. Outdated software. Outdated software on your smartphone can significantly impact battery life. This happens due to inefficiencies, bugs, and the lack of optimizations included in more recent updates. So guys, solution is simple. Update your phone's software to the latest version through the settings to software update option. And also, update apps regularly for better optimization. Number 4. Overheating. Overheating is a common issue that can significantly impact your smartphone's battery life and overall performance. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures can cause the battery to degrade faster, reducing its capacity and lifespan. So for that I have 3 solutions. First solution is avoid using the phone while charging. Then second solution is close unused apps during heavy usage. And the last solution is keep your phone in a cool environment. Number 5. Battery draining apps. Some apps consume an excessive amount of battery power due to high resource usage, inefficient coding, or running constantly in the background. Identifying and managing these apps is essential to prolonging your phone's battery life. If you want to see battery draining apps, then just go to your settings, then go to battery section, and then go to battery usage to view which apps are consuming the most power. So guys, for that, I have 2 solutions. Number 1 is use battery saver mode for limit usage of such apps. And second solution is check for lighter alternatives. It means use light versions of apps like Facebook. Number 6. Syncing multiple accounts. Syncing multiple accounts on your smartphone can lead to significant battery drain because your phone constantly communicates with servers to fetch data updates such as emails, calendar events, contacts, and app notifications. There are another reasons also there like continuous background activity, increased network usage, processor load, storage access, and other factors. So guys, solution is very simple. Disable auto sync for non-essential accounts. For that, just go to your settings, then go to account section, and just turn off auto sync. Number 7. High screen brightness. The screen is one of the most power-intensive components of a smartphone. Keeping your screen brightness at a high level significantly increases battery consumption especially during prolonged use. So guys, for that I have two solutions. Number one solution is use your phone in dark mode. Dark mode reduces power consumption since dark pixels require less energy. For enabling dark mode, just go to Setting and go to Display section and enable dark mode. And our second solution is enable auto brightness. Use your phone's adaptive brightness feature to automatically adjust brightness based on ambient light. For that, just go to Settings section and go to Display section and enable auto brightness. So guys, above 7 causes that might be draining your smartphone battery faster. I also shared solutions to address each issue in this video. I hope you found these tips helpful and are now better equipped to extend your battery life. So guys, see you in next video. Before that, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.